no, I need to buy clothes today, but my English is not very good, and I feel a little nervous about it.
That feeling makes sense, especially when you are not sure what people will say to you.
Yes, sometimes I understand a little, but then I miss something and I feel stuck.
That happens to many people, but today we will go step by step so you feel more comfortable as you continue.
Okay, I will try, even if I feel unsure at first. Welcome to English with Cheri. I'm Cheri.
And I am Nick, and we will do this together. So imagine you walk into a store and you want help. What can you say first?
Let me think. Maybe I can say, I'm looking for a shirt.
Yes, that works well, and it is clear right away.
I'm looking for a shirt. That feels simple, and I think I can remember it.
It is simple, and that is why it works in many situations.
I'm looking for a shirt, and I can say it right away without thinking too much.
Exactly. And when you say it clearly, people understand you faster.
Excuse me, I'm looking for a shirt. Yes, that feels more natural now.
It sounds natural, and now you can think about what kind of shirt you want.
Let me think. I want something casual because I want to wear it every day and feel comfortable.
That makes sense, and you can simply say something casual.
Something casual. Yes, that's easy to say, and it explains my idea.
Right, and now you can start looking around and see what you like.
There are so many shirts here, and I'm not sure where to look first.
That's okay, just look slowly and choose one that catches your attention.
This looks nice, and I think I like the color because it's not too bright.
Yes, and that color is easy to match with other clothes.
That's important because I want to wear it with different things.
Exactly, so it becomes more useful for you.
Let me try it on. I want to see how it feels, not just how it looks.
That's a smart next step, because comfort matters too.
Okay, I'm looking in the mirror now, and I think it fits well, but I'm not completely sure yet.
It looks like it fits well, but how does it feel when you move?
When I move my arms, it feels a little loose. Not bad, but not quite right.
That's helpful to notice because small differences matter.
Yes, I think it might be a little big, and maybe a smaller size would feel better.
That sounds reasonable, and you can ask for another size.
Do you have this in a smaller size? That feels clear and polite.
Yes, and it helps you continue the conversation easily.
I will try the smaller one now, and then I can compare. This one feels better, and it fits closer to my body, but it's still comfortable.
Yes, and now it looks more balanced.
I agree, it fits well and it feels good, so I like this one more.
That sounds like a better fit for you.
But I'm still thinking, because the first one was also comfortable, just a little loose.
That's normal. Sometimes both options feel okay, and you need to decide what matters more.
I think I preferred this one because it feels better when I move.
That's a strong reason, and it helps you make a confident choice.
Yes, I feel more confident now, and I like how it looks on me.
Now you can think about the price and decide if you want to buy it.
Right, I need to check the price, because I don't want something too expensive.
That makes sense, and you can ask a simple question.
How much does this cost? Yes, that feels easy to say.
It's simple, and you can use it in many stores.
I see the price, and it is a little expensive, so now I need to think again.
That happens a lot because sometimes you like something, but the price makes you stop.
I really like this shirt, and I think I will wear it often, so maybe it is worth it.
Yes, if you use it often, it becomes a better value.
I think I will take it, because it feels right for me.
That sounds like a confident decision.
I feel better now, and I am not as nervous as before. But now I'm thinking I also need something warmer. Maybe a jacket, because the weather is changing.
That makes sense, and this is a good time to look for one. You can use the same ideas again, but this decision might feel a little harder.
Yes, a jacket feels more difficult somehow, because I care more about comfort when the weather is cold.
That makes sense, and jackets can feel very different when you put them on.
I think that is why I am more unsure now, because I do not want to buy the wrong one.
Then let us slow down and look carefully.
Okay, I'm looking for a jacket, and that part feels easier now.
Yes, the beginning is already easier because you have practiced that pattern.
Excuse me, I'm looking for a jacket, and I want something simple that I can wear often.
That sounds natural, and now you can compare what you see.
There are many jackets here, and they all look different.
That's normal. Just choose one and see how it feels.
This one looks nice, and I like the style, but I'm not sure yet.
Then the best next step is to try it on.
Okay, I'm trying it now, and it feels a little heavy.
That's important to notice because weight affects comfort all day.
Yes, I think it is too heavy for me, especially if I wear it for many hours.
That sounds like a clear reason to try another one.
This one is lighter, and I already feel more comfortable just holding it.
That's a good sign, and now you can see how it feels when you wear it.
Okay, I'm wearing it now, and it fits well, but it feels a little tight around my arms.
That can happen, and you might want to try a larger size.
Yes, I want to feel comfortable when I move, not restricted.
Exactly, because a jacket should feel easy to wear.
You have this in a larger size? That feels easy to say now.
Yes, and now you can compare again.
I'm trying the larger one now, and it feels better. I can move more easily.
Yes, and it still looks good on you.
I like this one, but I'm still thinking about the other jacket I saw earlier.
That's normal because sometimes one jacket looks better, but another feels better.
Yes, that's exactly the problem.
Then think about how you'll use it.
I think I will wear it often, so comfort is probably more important than style.
That sounds like a smart way to decide.
I prefer this one because it feels lighter and I can move more easily.
That's a strong reason.
It looks good and it feels good, so I'm leaning toward this one.
And now the next question is the price.
Right. How much does this cost? I feel comfortable saying that now.
Yes, and what do you think when you see the price?
It is a little expensive, and now I'm thinking again.
That's normal because price changes the feeling.
I really like it, but I don't want to decide too quickly.
That's fair, and you don't need to rush.
The other jacket looked nice too, even if it felt heavier.
Then maybe you should compare one more time, just to be sure.
Yes, I think that would help me.
Good. Imagine you are holding both jackets again. What do you notice first?
The first one looks a little sharper, maybe a little more stylish.
And what about the second one?
The second one feels lighter and more comfortable on my shoulders.
Which one feels more natural for your everyday life?
Probably the lighter one, because I think I would wear it more often.
That sounds honest, and honest reasons usually lead to better decisions.
Yes, but I still want to check the other one more time.
That's okay. Sometimes you need that final comparison.
I'm trying the heavier one again, and now I notice it more clearly. It still looks nice, but it feels heavy right away.
And how does that compare with the lighter one?
The lighter one feels easier, and I think I would enjoy wearing it more.
That sounds like the answer is becoming clearer.
Yes, clearer, but not final yet.
That's okay. You don't need to decide right away. Sometimes it helps to compare one more time in your mind before you choose.
I like this one, but I'm still thinking about the other jacket. The other one looked nice too, even if it felt heavier.
Take your time.
There's no rush. Okay, I'm still deciding, but I feel more comfortable than before. Okay, I tried both again, and now I feel more sure. I think I prefer the lighter one because it feels better on my shoulders and I can move more easily.
That sounds like a clear reason.
Yes, and I think I will wear it more often too.
Then it sounds like you have your answer.
Yes, I'm ready now. I will take this one.
That feels like a real decision, not just a guess.
Yes, that's why I feel calmer now.
Now you're ready for the next step, talking to the cashier.
I feel a little nervous again, but not as much as before.
That's normal. The last step can still feel stressful.
Yes, because I know what I want now, but I still need to say it clearly.
And that's exactly what we'll practice. When you're ready, you can say, "I'll take this."
I'll take this. That feels simple and clear.
Yes, and it tells the cashier your decision right away.
I'll take this. And now it feels more natural than before.
Good. Now let's imagine the situation from the beginning. Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I will take this.
Of course. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. I would like a bag.
How would you like to pay?
I will pay by card.
That works. Please tap your card here.
Okay, Just a moment. I'm paying now.
Thank you. Here's your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
That felt real, and this time I didn't freeze or get stuck. I understood the questions and I knew what to say.
Yes, and that makes a big difference.
I feel more confident now, and I'm not as nervous.
That's a big improvement.
I think speaking slowly helps me because I don't need to rush.
Exactly. Speaking clearly is more important than speaking fast.
I like that idea. It makes me feel more relaxed.
And when you feel relaxed, you usually speak better.
I think that's true because when I panic, I forget simple things.
That happens to many people, so slowing down really helps.
Let me try the cashier part one more time because I want it to feel even more natural.
That's a good idea. And this time, try to imagine a real store again. Hello, are you ready?
Yes, I will take this one.
Would you like a bag?
No, thank you. I can carry it.
How would you like to pay?
I will pay by card.
Perfect. And now imagine one more question.
Okay, I am ready.
What if you're not sure about the item later and you want to ask about returning it?
Right, that can happen.
Then you can ask, can I return this?
Can I return this? Yes, that is clear.
And if you want more details, you can ask, what is your return policy?
What is your return policy? That is longer, but I think I can say it.
Yes, and now it fits naturally into the whole shopping situation.
Let me try the full ending again. Hi, I will take this one.
Of course. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
How would you like to pay?
I will pay by card.
Anything else?
Yes. Can I return this if I need to?
Yes, here's a return policy.
Thank you. That feels very useful in real life.
Yes, because now you're not only buying something, you're handling the whole situation.
That is true, and that makes me feel much more prepared.
That was a full shopping experience, from start to finish. Now, let's look back at what you used so it becomes even clearer.
Yes, I want to remember these phrases and use them again in real life.
Let's start from the beginning, when you walk into the store and need help.
I can say, I'm looking for a shirt.
Yes, and you can change one word and use the same pattern again.
I'm looking for a jacket. And I can also say, I'm looking for shoes.
Exactly, and that helps you start the conversation clearly.
Then, when I see something I like, I can say, this looks nice.
Yes, and that's a natural way to react.
I can also say, I think I like this, if I want to sound a little more personal.
That works too, because sometimes you're still deciding.
Then I try it on, and I can say, it fits well, if the size feels right.
And if it also feels comfortable, you can say, it feels good.
It fits well, and it feels good. That means I'm probably close to the right choice.
Yes, and those two phrases come up a lot when you shop.
But if something feels wrong, I can say, it is too big, or it is too small.
Exactly, and that helps you explain the problem simply.
Then I can ask, do you have this in a smaller size?
Or do you have this in a larger size?
Yes, and that helps me continue instead of just giving up.
That's important because sometimes learners know the problem, but they don't know what to ask next.
I think that used to happen to me.
And now you have the words to keep going.
Then I can ask, how much does this cost when I want to check the price?
Yes, and if the price surprises you, you can say, it's a little expensive.
That feels more polite than just saying, it's expensive.
Yes, it sounds softer and more natural.
And if I want another option, I can ask, do you have something cheaper?
Exactly, and that gives you another path forward.
Then, when I decide, I can say, I will take this.
And that moves the situation to the cashier.
Then the cashier might ask, would you like a bag?
And you can answer, yes, please, or no, thank you.
After that, the cashier might ask, how would you like to pay?
And you can answer, I will pay by card, or I will pay cash.
Then, if I'm thinking about later, I can ask, can I return this?
Or, what is your return policy, if you want more information?
When I hear all of that together, it feels much clearer now.
Yes, because now you're not learning random lines. Now you can go through the whole process step by step.
I like that because it feels like a real story, not just practice.
Exactly. And that is why it becomes easier to remember.
Let me imagine one short situation again.
Okay. You walk into a store and you want a jacket.
I am looking for a jacket.
You see one you like.
This looks nice. I think I like this.
You try it on, but it is too small.
It is too small. Do you have this in a larger size?
You try the larger size.
It fits well and it feels good.
You check the price.
How much does this cost?
It is a little expensive.
I understand, but I think I will wear it often, so I will take this.
The cashier asks, "Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
How would you like to pay?"
I will pay by card.
And now you are done.
That really feels possible now.
Yes, and that is the point.
I also noticed something else.
What's that?
I do not need perfect English. I just need clear English.
That is exactly right. And clear English helps people understand you.
I think that idea helps me relax.
And when you relax, your words come more easily.
I want to remember that the next time I go into a store.
Good, because that mindset matters too.
Write in the comments, I can shop in English.
And listen again tomorrow because repetition helps these phrases feel natural. If you're still listening, you're already improving.
Yes, every small step helps, even if it doesn't feel big at first.
Listen again tomorrow and let the phrases become more familiar.
Small steps every day will help you become fluent over time.
That's how real progress happens.
This is English with Cheri, and we're learning together.
Keep learning with us and keep practicing every day.
See you next time.